Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Juice, and for a returning subscriber, karibu sana, and thank you so much for tuning in. So on today's video, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to make sugarcane juice. Let me show you my juicer. This is our juicer, guys. So I'll show you step by step venye I'll make it, and then I'm going to show you how we are going to blend the juice. So wacha kwanza nishikanishe and then we proceed. So over here we have a collecting jar, and then we have this one. This one is the one we are going to press with. I'll show you. And then we remove this one. And then this is the actual machine. And then we have this one. These are other things, so I'm not going to remove them. These ones. So the only thing we're using are this one. So sometimes you'll just find your juicer with this. There's this one. There are so many parts. So it has hooks that you hook here. Make sure it is well placed. Then you place this one. This is the grinder. Let me show you where. This is the grinder. And then we have this one. So this one here, we're doing it like this. And then we have this one. This one is the one that is going to collect the filter. We're calling them filter, yeah. So we place it here. Like that. And then of course we have our cable. And then this is where the jar is coming in, yeah, at the collecting point. And we are going to put this one here. And this one you can stir your juice. So this one comes in here. When you put in your sugar cane, maybe you have put it there. This is what I'm going to use to press the fruits. So we are going to start making our sugarcane juice. First things first, we are going to connect the cable, and then you make sure your juicer is on. So mine is on. And then I'm going to put this one here and then lock it that way. And then we are going to add our sugarcane in here. And then put this one here, and then on this knob it is written 0, 1, 2. It has only 2, so we are going to start with 1 and then we are going to sit here. So as you can see, the juice is coming here. We are going to add our second batch. So guys, this is the last batch. So we are done. This is the amount of juice that we have collected. And then let me show you where maganda zilikuwa zinakuja. So this is everything. Imesiagwa, imekuwa ni kama unga. Let me pour it somewhere so that you can see where. So this is how it looks like. So that's how the juicer works. And yeah, so we are going to enjoy this juice. Like this one. So I'm going to pour the sugarcane juice in here. And that's it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have really enjoyed today's vlog, and if you have enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Remember to comment in the comment section down below, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Until my next one, it is bye bye.